Canada, Thursday, February 6, 2025. Heavy snowfall accompanied by increasingly crazy and wild winds occurred in Ontario, Canada, precisely in Kitchener to Waterloo, on Thursday, February 6, 2025, at around 23:20 local time. The weather warning, issued by Environment Canada, is heavy snowfall in a short time is expected to fall, with peak snowfall reaching 2 to 4 centimetres per hour, resulting in poor visibility, and being the main cause of difficult travel, due to heavy snowfall and snowstorms in some areas, including parts of southern and eastern Ontario. Environment and Climate Change Canada, ECCC, warns the public to adjust your driving style to changing road conditions. Because visibility may be reduced, be sure to always check road conditions before leaving and always follow the latest weather warnings in your area. Travel will be extremely difficult across the northern Greater Toronto Area, GTA, throughout the day on Friday, with lake effect and sleet impacting major roads and highways. While most of the sleet will avoid southern Ontario, some will make its way into southwestern areas along the shores of Lake Erie, while parts of southern Ontario could see snow as the primary precipitation type.